Scream's angle, so he's not exposed right now to Nitro. And RPK with the return frag on Eco. That's going to make them reconsider this B position. It has to go on to A. That's everyone down. JDM's found the shot, though. On to Smiths. This opens up the possibility. There's still a man down. And no smoke dropped out on that doorway. Instead, it's straight to the site. And they do have a Molotov that can potentially put on toward balcony if they get the timing right. Instead, though, that goes on door, so Elige is going to watch this angle from the ground. It's a bit of an off angle to play it from, and it'll let JDM fire away at long, but it's a rotation coming from all 3 points right now, all 3 perspectives. Scream is already down at the bottom of middle. They have to consider everything, and they're just holding up, letting him get in position because they have 2 kits they can afford to spend the time.
Yeah, absolutely. And here comes the first exchange now. Elige to step up, gets the first kill, but can't find the second now. JDM, AWP on site. We know he can step up. Got to find RPK first. Can't hit the shot. Getting pincered from both sides now. It's going to be Scream shortly to finish things off, but it's a nice go! And it's 2 of them to win the round as well. Liquid, 6 in a row. JDM, what a play! That's massive. It looked like G2 had everything covered at that point, but it's going to be 2 no-scopes, of course, to finish things off. I didn't think he had any chance there. Scream and